Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Nomi and I hope so you all are doing really great. And I know I haven't posted anything from from past 2 months. So today I got a chance to post something which could also help you out, related to getting a green card while living in America. And I will like to discuss about my immigration journey a bit, in a sense, because जिस तरह से मैंने green card लिया है, या फिर the things which I have gone through, it might help you out to determine how much time it can take while you are in the same category. So I got my green card through an employment, and it was an employment based green card, and it does have different categories. I know कि अमेरिका में हम बहुत सी different options avail कर सकते हैं, through marriage or asylum, and the third option is employment based. And even in the employment based, you have different categories like EB1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and they all depend on different circumstances and the different documents and the different skill set which you have. So for me it was an EB3, which comes under a skilled worker, or इसके लिए you must be at least a graduate, or you should have a master's degree. And then it depends on the employer, if they are willing to help you out to get the permanent residency here. और इसमें मैं समझता हूँ कि मेन पार्ट जो होता है वो एम्प्लॉयर का होता है. To me, I'm really thankful to my employer who helped me out in getting the green card. And every employer has different circumstances, or definitely it depends on the contract which you have with the employer. Some they want you to work for them for at least 5 years after you get the green card, and some have different categories and different options. So starting with my immigration journey, I came on a B1 B2 visa, and then my lawyer did switch my visa and applied for a student visa for me so that I can stay longer here. And in that time period she can apply for my green card and work on my documents. So in that case, you don't have to leave US. You will be staying here in US, and also the lawyer will be working on your green card. And it takes depending on from the country which you came, how much time it will be to get your green card. And to me it took at least 2.5 years or so to get my green card. And mainly this depends on the processing time which the immigration department they show on their website. And as I told you, I became a student and the lawyer started the process. So first thing in the process is labor certification, in which the wage is determined through the wage department. और उसमें वो ये देखते हैं कि जो जॉब डिस्क्राइब की गई है उसकी कितनी एटलीस्ट मिनिमम वेज होनी चाहिए. And it takes at least 2 to 4 or 6 months to get it determined. And after that the labor department tells the employer to gather the information related to the person whom they want to hire. और वो सारी जो उनकी documentation है, it takes around 4 to 6 months, and then it's been applied with the labor department, your own documents. और इसी तरह ही मेरे document जो उनसे थे वो labor department में भेजे गए थे. And then it takes around 6 to 9 months roughly, sometimes 4 months, depending on your luck. So after that, when your labor is approved, it takes around I would say 6 months, sometimes 2 months, and sometimes 4 months to apply for the green card. Because green card अप्लाई करने का भी एक साइकिल है. it has a calendar year, and they do have to see like whether the date is current or not. और current date का मतलब ये है कि like when your labor was filed, whether this falls under the current date for filing your green card or not. और ग्रीन कार्ड फाइल करने से पहले एक पटिशन फाइल की जाती है जो कि एम्प्लॉयर की तरफ से होती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड I-140. और it takes for I-142 like 6 months to get approved, but in some cases if you pay like an extra fee of around like I believe so I paid like $1,500 extra or maybe $2,000 extra, so that like your process gets faster and your I-140 gets approved like in between 2 to 4 weeks. And lastly फिर जब आपका green card के documents file होते हैं, that's the main thing, and when they are filed it takes around like depending on again the processing time and the current circumstances, around like maybe 1 to 2 years, sometimes 3 years to get your green card. Or that's how I got my permanent residency. My time period was shorter because I mean it was like a blessing for me, as my labor got approved just within like 3 to 4 months. And when my green card was filed, I didn't have to go for an interview. I didn't got like any work permit. I just directly got my green card within 8 months. So it's just about luck. And I would say like if you guys have like any kind of questions, you can ask me in the comments. But like I'm not like an immigration lawyer or an attorney, so my advice wouldn't help you out, but I will try to answer those questions like in which I was there back then when I was getting my own residency. So I hope so you like the video, do subscribe it, and see you later. Peace.